Hello, and welcome to the CCNA Routing and Switching course offered by Simplilearn. The previous lesson focused on Internet Protocol version 6. This lesson focuses on Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, DHCP, Network Time Protocol, NTP, and High Availability. Let us begin with the objectives of the lesson in the next slide. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain the different aspects of DHCP, configure DHCP client, configure Network Time Protocol client, explain the concept of high availability, describe the different protocols. Let us start with DHCP. Network Time Protocol, NTP, is used to synchronize the clocks on network devices. This is important for two reasons. System messages contain timestamps that list the time that each message is generated. Troubleshooting a problem that involves more than one network device is difficult when the timestamps cannot be reconciled. In addition, authentication most often requires synchronization because it specifies timeframes for access and uses timestamps for security associations. One router in the network becomes the NTP server. All the other devices become clients and obtain their time from the server. The server obtains time information for a source outside the LAN, just as your PC does. A Windows PC obtains its time from the website time.windows.com. NTP uses UDP over port 123. It is a slow protocol. The formation of NTP associations can take a long time. NTP clients are configured, at least at the CCNA level, with the single command shown on the slide. In the next slide, let us focus on high availability. High availability means that network devices, or the network in general, is up and available for use as close to 100% of the time as possible. Earlier in this course, we discussed redundancy of devices and links. This redundancy can help achieve high availability. But high availability is not achieved by adding more hardware to the network. Let us view the image on slide and understand why. In the image, all the PCs are in subnet 192.168.1.0/24. They all have a default gateway of 192.168.1.4, the FA00 interface of router 1. If FA00 fails, none of the PCs are able to reach the network. Let us continue our discussion on high availability in the next slide.